Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hope you find my channel useful for you. If you are already subscribed, I'm very thankful for that. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. This way you will push my channel forward, so it will be very helpful for me to share more with other people. Okay, we're gonna do full body morning routine. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay, starting with something very simple. Upper body first. Bring your arms behind your head. Take a deep breath. We're gonna rotate towards the left side. Your left elbow rotates all over. 2, 3, nice and smooth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Okay, no switch right. 1, 2, nice and smooth. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and open. Awesome. Place your arms on the ground. From here, we're gonna relax our scapular and shoulder blades down and up. Rotate your pelvis, then we relax down, push up. 2, 3, 4, keep your arms straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. 3, 2, 1. Then we continue. Your left arm slides towards the right side. Left scapula reach the ground, and the left one, the right one open forward. Feel the stretch in your left side right now. 3, 2, 1. And then we switch slowly. Left arm on the ground, right one slides towards the left side. Left opens forward. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. From here we continue. I will use my diagonal. Left leg drives towards the right side, and we'll move backward. Feel the stretch in the right side. Okay, hold. 3, 2, 1, and we switch. Left leg on the ground, right leg straight back, drive towards the left side. Feel the stretch in the left side of your hip. 3, 2, 1, back up. Okay. The next one will be, we're gonna open our left leg 45 degrees towards the side. Right leg, we're gonna point. We're gonna move backwards and forward. Backward and forward. Here we go. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, adding mobility on the left side. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. 10. Awesome. And just feel the stretch in left. Okay, switch. Right one, open towards the side, and same. Drive backwards. And 2, nice. 3, 4, continue. 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. Okay, hold couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice. We're gonna continue with down dog. Down dog and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg goes straight up. We're gonna continue holding down dog. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're gonna switch, right leg go up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg on the ground. From here, we're gonna continue. We're gonna do plank position, and then we're gonna push down. We're gonna elevate our arms. We're gonna bring them back. We're gonna push up. We're gonna do 2 jumps towards the side. 2, and we continue again. Down, elevate the arms, push, and 2 times jump. Totally, we're gonna do 10 sets. Here we go. Take a deep breath first. Plank position. Push down. Arms up and back up 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down dog. Breathe. Push your shoulders backwards, keep your legs straight. We're gonna work with down dog. 10, 9, 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Open them towards the side a little bit. Let's stretch, lengthening through the spine. Drop your hip backwards and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice. Okay, moving forward. Lie down in the back. From here, I need you to elevate your hip up as high as possible. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, you close your legs together. Keep pushing your butt up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And open up your knees towards the side. Keep pushing your butt up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You close them back. Keep on the ground. Okay, take a deep breath. Then exhale. Right leg straight forward. Rotate your pelvis flat back. We're gonna push from the right side. Right up and down. 1, 2, high. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10. And release. Take a deep breath. Switch side, right leg go straight forward. And up 10 times. Let go up. And 1, push. 2, higher. 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Awesome. We continue. Core. Elevate your upper back. Bring your arms behind your head. Left leg goes straight. We're gonna drive your left elbow towards the right knee, and then we're gonna switch. And then we're gonna switch. Here we go. 20, and towards the left, towards the right first. 2, 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, continue. 2, nice. 3, 4, flat back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Slowly up. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. Bring your arms closer to your body. Rotate them towards the side. Palms should look outside. From here, we're going to elevate our butt up. Hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna open our legs towards the side. We're gonna grab our toes, open your legs even more, push your spine forward and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Awesome. Stand up. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna squat. Left leg, we're gonna squat behind the right, and we back. Behind the right, and we back. Here we go. We're gonna do 12 on each side. Bend your right leg slightly, knee looks forward. We're gonna work from the left one. 1 and back. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, go ahead. 6, feel the right side. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Nice. Take a deep breath. Get ready for the left one. And up. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 1 more. 12. Awesome. Good one. Then we continue with the next one. Open your legs wider. From here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna bend our right leg towards the side, and then we're gonna use the right leg, the power of the right leg. We're gonna push from the right leg until here, and we're back. Up, and we're back. Here we go. 12 on each side. And 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Awesome. Okay. Release. Take a deep breath. We're gonna switch side. Left one and bend. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and release. Awesome, my friends. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. One more. Exhale. Let's finish strong. What we're gonna do next is plank position. You are straight. From here, we're gonna start to switch. Left leg drives toward the left palm, and then you switch, and then right, and then left, and then right. We're gonna do only 10. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Down dog. Hold here, down dog. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. From here, we continue. We're gonna push our shoulders forward. We're gonna bend our elbows so all the tension goes in your shoulders. Here we go. 10. Nice and smooth. And back. 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to down dog. Hold down dog 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are done. That's it.
Nice one, quick one. Take care of your body. Wish you all the best. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, suggest. I'm always thankful. I'm checking my comments, replying to people. I want to be as helpful as possible. Peace out.